The rules are simple. You will compete in games that use only household items. If you can do it in under 60 seconds, you will have a chance of playing in the finals where one person will walk away victorious. This is Minute to Win It. Here's how it works. You'll have the opportunity to compete in any one of the games located throughout the room. If you garner the highest score in any one of the games, you will move on to the finals, where you'll compete head-to-head with the other participants for a chance at winning the grand prize. Every gaming station will be outfitted with all the necessary tools and custom tables to make it feel as if you were on the TV show itself. Each gaming station will also feature energetic event staff that will root you on while you compete, as well as help navigate the touchscreen monitor that provide a preview of the game and even track your time. The games are easy, but you only have a minute to win it.